Hi friends, so in this video I'm going to tell you what are the opportunities available for freshly qualified chartered accountant. Now the thing is, like, if you are studying in 11th standard or 12th standard and if you want to do chartered accountancy, this video is highly useful for you guys. Now as you know that CA course will take 4 to 4.5 years to complete. Now after finishing this, there are n number of opportunities. Number one, you can go for employment, that many people are choosing now, because at the starting stage itself you are getting somewhere around 7 lakhs to 9 lakhs. Okay, this is the package. Number two, you can go for practice, that is if you can start your own practice. I will tell you what is the pros and cons later. So you have practice. Number three, you can start your own business, because now you have enriched with knowledge, so you can easily start your business. Basically many Marwadis who after finishing CA they used to do business. Number four, you can start your consultancy, okay, because there are a lot of opportunities. You can do outsourced financial services. So this is the basic things. So number one comes to employment. Now in employment, ICAI gives you a campus placement. So every regional ICAI, that is campus, they are having the campus placements, and top companies used to come for interviews. You have to apply for campus, you can get it. So this is number one. Number two, you can start your practice. Now what is the pros and cons? Generally, where from the client will come for you, okay, so from articleship experience you can get some clients. Your relatives, okay, you can take a pen and paper, write who are all your relatives, okay, who are filing IT returns, etc. Number three, from bankers you can get, if you are having any relationship with banks, you can get assignments from banks, and you can get partnership. You can enter into partnership with some other friends, okay, so that you can share the works, etc. Then you can do annual filings, ITR filings, okay, to start with your practice. So this is the second opportunity. And third opportunity, you can start your own business. Okay, if your father is having business, you can start your own business. Then sir, why I have to study chartered accountancy? Because see, if you know business, obviously you need a finance guy. Okay, you would have seen many business, they need a finance guy. Now you are a finance guy as well as a businessman. And if you see Kumaramangalam Birla and all, okay, Mr. Kumaramangalam Birla is a chartered accountant. Okay, he do a wonderful business. Okay, so it's an added advantage when you do chartered accountancy. It's an added advantage. So you can be proud saying that I am a finance guy and I am into core business. See, people who have done MBA, okay, they are doing business, right? So chartered accountant is not lesser than an MBA. So we also study all finance, accounts, and during articleship we'll learn so many things which will be helping in business. Okay, then you start your own consultancy, where you can give advices for financial advice, like syndication you can do, loan syndication you can do, because they need financial projections, so that you can do. Then filings you can do, taxation advice you can give, both direct tax and indirect tax, that is GST advice you can give. Then how to do tax planning, tax structuring, so that without evading tax, how to plan and structure the business in such a way we can reduce the taxes. So within the framework, without evasion of taxes, how we can do. See, in all the opportunities we'll earn a good lump sum. Only thing is, if you start practicing, initially the amount will be less, but later the amount will be very high. But if you start employment, initially the amount will be very high, but comparatively when you come to practice, the initially amount is very less. So if you start employment at 7 lakhs, but in practice you will hardly get 3 lakhs. Actually, I'm telling you frankly. So 50% only will get, but year on year your client will come to you only. So year on year the client base will increase, and turnover maybe in 6 or 7 years it will reach in like 40-50 lakhs it will reach. So that's for sure. So you just think of all these opportunities and go forward it, and don't make sure any of this 4, do not fix it before completing your CA. Finish CA, then you fix what you have to do. Okay, so don't think any of because some people will think that I have to practice, but situation force them, no, family situation force them, they have to go for employment because they need money immediately, their commitments are huge. So that time you should not feel bad. So let the time goes, okay, don't decide anything, just now finish the CA, okay, just now try to finish CA, then once you finish CA, then you decide what you have to do later. So this is AKS Krishnan from letspassCA. You can, if you want any advice from me, if you are in Chennai, you can meet me. My phone number is 9940512888. There are so many chartered accountants trained by me. They are in practice, they are in consultancy, etc. So all the best. See you. Bye.